Hi friends, sometimes when you ask me about my online course, you ask me a lot of questions because you don't have any idea how I teach or what we do, etc. So I decided to make this short video, which is just a small example of what I do during a typical lesson online. You have to understand that I follow a program with my method, which is the same program and method I use when I was teaching at a design university long time ago. We will start from the basics of drawings, really lines, warm-up exercise, line quality, the cue, the basic shapes, the sphere, stuff like that, the theory of light, to understand really well highlights, shadow, cast shadow, and how to show a three-dimensional volume on a car sketch. And then in a progressive way, we will move to colors with the media, classical media like markers, chalk, and everything will be done freehand. Because with me, if you know how to sketch really well freehand, you will know 100% how to do fantastic stuff in digital. If you need my help, you have to contact me via email. Okay, be careful because the way you put the wheels, the center of the wheel, it's wrong. You know, when you make those wheels like that, in general, I make just a cut line, but then I work with my graphics here, you see? Yeah, get closer to the camera. Okay, so, you know what you should do? You should take your black marker and go from the center of the top of the highlight. So you should go from here with the black and just very dark in the center and a little bit light on the side, only on the top of your reflection. Try. And we're gonna just put chalk on top, okay? Look how I did. I took with my finger and I did like this. Yeah, a little bit of baby powder, yes. So take off the extra. Now look what I do. You will do the same on your sketch, okay? First of all, I will start from this part, you see, where is the core. And I will not touch the glass. I will try to do only the top. Remember that where you have the reflection on your hood, front windshield and top, we need white. Yeah. Okay, so I start right in the middle here, between the two, very light, okay? And then a little bit on top of the hood, you see? Okay, good. Great. Now I spray fix. Do you have spray fix? Okay, good. So be careful. We don't want to put a lot. Very lightly, just a little. Okay. Second layer, and I will only touch the windshield and a little bit of top of the hood. Okay. I will not touch the side. Now that it's drying, we have to prepare the third and last layer. Okay. No baby powder. Only the chalk on top of your marker, okay? Don't worry. Yeah, now it's better because everything looks more realistic, you know? I will use only a little bit of the orange, okay? This one. Just a little bit of that orange. I don't touch the yellow anymore. What I will do, I will try to make some little accents because that will show where is the sun. Now, can you see how nicely that orange is creating that spotlight of the sun? We know the sun is there. Vedant, when you spray, you have always to go left, right, unless you create spot. Once we did that, what we want to do, here on this highlight, we're gonna make the extension too. But we're gonna go just to follow the shade, you see, to 0. So you gotta be very delicate. If you can do that, that would be nice. Okay, good. And then you need a highlight down here. Yes. And the last thing I do, I take my white pencil and I just do little things like, look, cut line. You see, few of those lines, it's enough to give a feeling of transparency. Elements are down there. Okay, it looks really nice, but wait, put this on the side and clean up.